Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create seller account on Freepik. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Freepik. Click here. Then you need to click on sign up. Here you have three options: continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email. So I'm going to continue with email. So here you need to add your email and then you need to add your password. So I'm going to create a password, for example. Let me make it a strong one. Then you need to click on sign up. So now you can see that my Freepik account is created. Let me save the password. Then you need to click on edit profile. So this is my account and here you can see my downloads, my collections, device subscription, and after that you can use this account to create your collection here, and you can upload your collection here by clicking on this plus new collection. So this is the process by which you can create seller account on Freepik. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.